Kuoshi Festival is the most great traditional festival of the Lisu, which is equivalent to the Chinese New Year of Han. During the festival, swing, high jump and other sports competitions are held in village. Young men embrace the pipa and invite girls to sing and dance in the wild field, or to play the game of using river sand to bury people on the beach by the new river. The Call of the Plateau is a stage art made by the Yunnan Ethnic Villages with its best efforts. The show includes 15 unique cultural elements of minority ethnics and takes awe of nature and worship of harmony as its theme. The perfect combination of music, dance and unique folk dance words shows the vivid and harmonious living scene in the minority areas. Yunnan Ethnic Village, whose residential architecture mainly are natural village style. There lives die and other minority ethnics, and every ethnic has its own unique customs and festivals. And among them, the best known are the Water Splashing Festival and the Torch Festival. Water Splashing Festival is the most characteristic festival of the Dai. Girls water on each other to express good wish. Torch Festival, a traditional festival of the Yi and some other minority nationalities. On the day, people walk around and collect at a bonfire with flaming torches in their hands, singing, dancing and drinking to hope about plentiful crops in the coming year.